Creating a calm classroom can actually double your students' focus, and I'm going to show you how. In this video, you'll learn how to craft a calm classroom environment that enhances focus and productivity for your students. Many classrooms are filled with distractions, making it hard for students to concentrate and engage effectively. From noisy hallways to chattering classmates, it can be overwhelming for students to tune out the chaos and zone in on their work. When students are constantly bombarded with stimuli, it's no wonder they struggle to stay on task. Furthermore, a cluttered and disorganized environment can lead to feelings of anxiety and frustration, making it even harder for students to focus. Not to mention, a lack of clear expectations and routines can create a sense of uncertainty, causing students to feel like they're constantly walking on eggshells. And let's be real, who can focus when they're worried about what's going to happen next? Explore various techniques such as creating a soothing color palette, using calming sounds, and establishing consistent routines that contribute to a tranquil learning atmosphere. One of the most impactful changes you can make is to rethink your classroom's color scheme. By incorporating calming colors like blue, green, and yellow, you can create a sense of serenity and relaxation. Another game changer is to use calming sounds like rain or ocean waves, which can help to mask distracting noises and create a sense of calm. Additionally, establishing a consistent routine can help to create a sense of predictability and stability, making it easier for students to settle in and focus. By incorporating these techniques, you can create an environment that's conducive to learning and helps your students thrive. For instance, you could try playing calming music during independent work time, or incorporating a daily mindfulness exercise into your routine. You could also experiment with different lighting options, like using table lamps or string lights to create a cozier atmosphere. Another idea is to add some greenery to your classroom, like plants or a living wall, which can help to purify the air and create a sense of calm. By getting creative and trying out different techniques, you can find what works best for your students and creates an environment that's truly unique and effective. Discover the transformative power of mindfulness practices like deep breathing or short meditation sessions, which can significantly improve focus and reduce anxiety. By incorporating mindfulness practices into your daily routine, you can help your students develop greater self-awareness and regulation skills. This can be as simple as taking a few minutes each day to focus on deep breathing or guided imagery. You could also try incorporating short meditation sessions into your lessons, like during transitions or before a test. By prioritizing mindfulness, you can help your students cultivate a greater sense of calm and focus, leading to improved academic performance and overall well-being. Additionally, mindfulness practices can help to reduce stress and anxiety, creating a more positive and productive learning environment. When students feel more relaxed and centered, they're able to approach challenges with greater confidence and resilience. This can lead to improved engagement and motivation, as well as better relationships with their peers and teachers. By incorporating mindfulness practices into your classroom routine, you can create a ripple effect of positivity that spreads through the entire school community. By implementing these strategies, you can create a calm classroom that not only boosts focus, but also fosters a positive learning environment. By taking the time to craft a calm and peaceful environment, you can help your students unlock their full potential and achieve greater academic success. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more videos like this. Click the link in the description to view our Mindful Apparel online store. Subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on the exciting new venture coming to our channel in February. Thanks for watching.